Are you looking for the best acoustic guitars? In this video we will look at some of the best acoustic guitars on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cordoba 6C5 CE Acoustic-Electric Guitar. Nylon is the preferred material for classical guitar strings and historical acoustic guitar sounds, providing a softer playing feel and smoother tone than the prevailing steel designs of today. The Cordoba C5CE is one of the best nylon string acoustic guitars on the market thanks to a solid cedar wood top that gives it fantastic projection and its unique cutaway design that extends the neck's playable area far beyond that of standard designs. It also hosts a Fishman pickup and preamp with a 2-band equalizer, allowing users to plug directly into amplifier systems and custom tailor the guitar's tone without needing a microphone. The C5CE's built-in preamp also includes a simple LED tuner display, allowing players to keep perfect guitar pitch at a glance. As a true classical guitar, the C5CE has a nut width of 1.96 inches, allowing for ample string spacing and precise left-hand fretting. The downside to this wider neck is that it requires players to have good dexterity to achieve a clean sound without buzzing. If you're looking for a nylon string acoustic guitar tailored for smaller hands, the Fender FA15 3/4 scale guitar may be a better choice. Additionally, nylon strings provide a much smoother and darker tone than steel strings, so this guitar may not be the best choice for playing traditionally bright steel string styles like bluegrass or country rock. Number 2. Fender FA15 3/4 scale guitar. Fender's FA15 is a scaled-down take on a classic acoustic guitar design that features easy-to-play construction details, making it a good option for new guitar players. Instead of conventional steel strings, it uses nylon strings, which are easier on the hands and allow for easier fretting and holding of notes, especially for new players with softer fingertips. It has an easy-to-hold, 3/4 size body, and its small scale length of 23.3 inches helps beginning players reach across more frets at once. Because hand discomfort is a common problem for first-time guitar players, these design details make the FA15 a great first guitar choice. This guitar's laminate top, combined with its nylon strings, means that it doesn't project as loudly as a full-size steel string guitar, so players of the FA15 may struggle to be heard when playing music with others. Still, its appeal with sides and back, combined with the nylon strings, render warm, round tones, especially considering the guitar's 3/4 scale. The strings are also a bit high off the fretboard out of the box, but this can be fixed by slightly filing down the bridge saddle or the nut. Number 3. Martin LX1 Little Martin Acoustic Guitar. Martin's LX1 is a miniature guitar made from incredibly strong laminate wood and paper materials, making it a portable and durable choice that's a great companion instrument for traveling. While guitars made of laminate materials are generally less sought after than solid wood due to their slightly reduced resonance, the LX1 uses a solid spruce wood top that counteracts some of this effect and allows the guitar to deliver uncharacteristically loud projection for its size. The rest of the LX1's body, including the back, sides, neck, and bridge, is composed of varying types of high-pressure wood composites that resist cracking, splitting, and denting much better than regular wood. The LX1 is a travel-friendly guitar scaled down to roughly 3/4 of a standard guitar's size, so it has a smaller-than-average neck and frets. This makes fretting and playing chords much easier than normal, but users with larger hands may actually find the neck too small to fit their grip comfortably. The LX1's small body also lacks some of the low-end resonance produced by larger-bodied guitars, so keep that in mind if that's a sound you're seeking. Number 4. Yamaha FD01S Solid Top Acoustic Guitar. Yamaha's FD01S is a dreadnought acoustic guitar made of solid spruce, mahogany, NATO, and rosewood, giving it a sound and construction similar to more expensive guitars at a budget price point. Unlike most budget instruments in this price range, which feature laminate tops that are cheaper to produce, it has a solid top that offers pronounced volume and resonance. Combined with its sturdy neck and its soft, easy-to-play fingerboard, the FD01S is one of the best value acoustic guitars currently available. Due to its relatively low cost, the FD01S isn't manufactured with the same attention to detail lavished on more professional instruments. This results in a construction that requires user intervention and a professional setup to achieve the best results. Out of the box, the guitar strings are a bit high off of the fretboard and hard to press. Additionally, the FD01S has a standard dreadnought shape that offers bold, resonant tones but may be too large for smaller players to hold.